The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video about the iPhone XS on MetroPCS. So the newest iPhone is here. So this is what the new iPhone XS looks like right here. So as you guys see the phone right there in front of you, it looks very nice and all that good stuff. So here quick specs on the iPhone XS. It has a 5.8-inch Super Retina display, dual 12-megapixel cameras, and 64 gigabytes of storage. There's a phone right there. It's available for $7.99 if you guys port in to MetroPCS with an unlimited LTE data plan. So if you guys want to get this phone $200 off, you guys must put your number over MetroPCS and get an unlimited LTE data plan. The full retail price of the iPhone XS is $9.99. So keep that in mind, alright? So it says here, 5.8-inch Super Retina display, advanced Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone and more. So here are the quick specs on the iPhone XS. Of course, it has a 5.8-inch Super Retina display. It's OLED with HDR, IP68 dust and water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. 12-megapixel dual cameras with dual optical image stabilization and 7-megapixel true depth front camera there. Portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR are included obviously. Face ID for secure authentication and Apple Pay. H5 Bionic with next generation neutral engine. Wireless charging, it works with Q chargers in iOS 12 with Me emoji, screen time, search shortcuts, and quick FaceTime. Alright, so it's available in a couple colors here. You have space gray, silver, space gray again, I'm not sure why that is, silver, and gold. So silver is on here twice. I'm not sure why silver and space gray are on here twice. So it's really available. So it's really available in 3 colors: space gray, silver, and gold. Alright. Guess for you pricing details. The full retail price of the iPhone XS is $9.99. If you guys want to, if you guys put your number over the MetroPCS, you guys will get $200 off with porting. So that makes it $7.99. So yeah, so you guys must put your number to get it for $7.99, right? It says welcome to the big screens, Super Retina in 2 sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme. Super Retina and bigger and bigger. The custom OLED display on iPhone XS delivers the most accurate color in the industry, HDR and true blacks. And iPhone XS has Apple's largest display ever on an iPhone. All screen makes a difference. See how much more room you'll have for everything you love to do, and they're comparing the iPhone sizes right there. Exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, a beautiful new gold finish achieved with an atomic level process, precision in the machine, surgical grade stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance. Advanced Face ID. Security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things at a glance. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent H5 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone with Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, incredible portraits with depth control and speed and fluidity in everything you do. Breakthrough dual camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography, where an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. So that is nice, you know what I'm saying? So this was have like a a good camera on and all that stuff, you know. As dual 12 megapixel rear cameras, of course, it has 2 times faster sensor, portrait mode with depth control, and 4K video at 60 frames per second. True depth camera, it's 7 megapixel with portrait mode with depth control. 1080p video at 60 frames there, alright? And this iPhone XS delivers gigabit class LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, making this Apple's highest capacity iPhone yet. And as you guys know, MetroPCS only offers the 64 gigabyte version, so do keep that in mind, alright? No other phone is like iPhone. Every decision that goes into iPhone makes it stand apart. From the way it's made to the way privacy and security are built in from the start to the way Apple responsibly recycles it. So it has 64 gigabytes of storage, 5.8-inch Super Retina display. It's OLED display with HDR, 12 megapixel dual cameras with dual optical image stabilization, and 7 megapixel true depth front camera there. There is no external storage, of course, as you guys know that. Mobile hotspot, of course, and 20 hours of talk time. iOS 12, A12 Bionic with next generation digital engine, and the iPhone XS weighs 6.24 ounces. So yeah, there it is, guys. The iPhone XS is now here at MetroPCS. You guys can get it for $7.99 if you put your number over the MetroPCS. The full retail price of the iPhone XS is $9.99. So there it is, guys. iPhone XS is now available at MetroPCS. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.